Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you use dependent drop down list. So let me show the result first. So here is a button. If I click it, it will take it will show you three drop down lists. So aluminum ducting, cable and accessories. So what it does actually, it takes this value and then find the unique one, and that unique value is used for drop down list. Okay. So you don't need to use another helper column, or you don't need to remove duplicate. And if I click it, let's say aluminum ducting. So if I click aluminum ducting, there will be the second drop down list, and it's depend on the first one. So if you see that aluminum ducting has four category: 100 millimeter flexi, 100 millimeter insulated flexi. So this one, if I change this to cable accessories, it will show the relevant data for cable accessories. So it's depend on the first drop down list. See it. So the cable, it will show this thing. Okay. So that's it. So at first I need to find out the unique key. Okay. So for that I'm using dictionary. So in dictionary there are two items. One is called key and the second one is item or value. So I'm going to show you the code. So this is for initialization code. So at first I declare some variables which are required for the code. At first I find the last row for taking the data to an array. So sheet1 column K. So this one. So at first I am finding the last row. You can use another function called count if you want. And the second, in this line I am set the range, and in this line I am using late binding. You can use early binding, but if you want to use early binding, then you need to go to the tools tab, then reference and Microsoft run time scripting. Okay, so scripting dictionary. So you need to enable this Microsoft scripting runtime. Okay, you need to enable this. So I don't want to enable this or manually click this. So I'm using late binding. If you use early binding, and then it will run a little bit faster, but for late binding it will run a little bit slow. So then I am taking the range value to an array, and for each element in this array I am going to look through, and what this things does is this: it first check that already the key is there or not. So if the key is there, then it will do nothing, but if that is a new key, then it will take the key and put the value of item equals to empty. Okay, so for showing purpose I am using this one. I will enable this after some times. So if I add an arch, so already there is an arch. Okay, so if I run this code, F8, then see this. So it's first take aluminum ducting. Okay, and it's going to run again and again until it finds cable accessories. When it finds the cable accessories, look at the data. So after this, the dictionary is not updated its value because it's already in the dictionary. So when cable accessories is found, then it will update its key. Okay, so if I run this and it's find cables, then it will update this. Okay, and here I am printing. So as I set the value equals to empty, then there is no data. Okay, but if I use this one instead of first one, and let's run again, Okay. Okay. So now we can see that, let me clear this first. Okay. So aluminum ducting and 1. So value 1. Okay. Because I set the value equals to 1. So if you want to just find the unique item from a column, then you don't need to set this value. You can set it empty. You can set it 1, 2. Okay. And this line is going to set the combo box 1 list equals to dictionary key. So if you click this, then it will show the key only, not value. Okay. And the next one is combo box 1 change event. So here I am going to at first clear the combo box 2 value if there is already some value. So if I select it, and when I am going to change it, so it will clear this second combo box. Okay. And after that, let's find the last row again in this sub procedure, and it will clear previous combo box 2 item. So this loop is going to run until the second combo box count is greater than 0, and this is the last loop which will add the item to the second combo box depending on the first one. So I am for 2 to last row, because the first one is item and category, it's a heading, so it's going to run from 2 to last row, and then it's checking that cells i.k.value equals to combo box 1 value. So if that particular row equals to combo box 1 value, then add that item to the second combo box. That's it. So if you click this, okay, so when I'm selecting aluminum ducting, then it will show the aluminum relevant data, and when I'm selecting cable accessories, it's going to show the cable accessories data. If I select cables, then it will going to show the cable related data. Okay, if you want to add any data in here, let's say if I add my name and there's some things, just asterisk signs, so it will automatically update it. Okay, it does not need to be in A to Z or Z to A, or it does not require sorting.